Hey crypto enthusiasts, and welcome back to your favorite crypto corner. Today I'm excited to share with you all about the Trend Center, where you can revolutionize your online trading experience with a platform that is super user friendly and offers unmatched trading opportunities. On top of that, they're currently running a massive Christmas giveaway, so this is definitely a chance you do not want to miss. But as always, before we dive in, remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. This gem focuses on making trading easy and accessible with a wide range of tradable assets, deep liquidity, and competitive pricing. Whether you're exploring CFDs or diving into innovative financial tools, this gem has got you covered with a vast realm of trading information right at your fingertips. Their platform is said to be the go-to choice for traders looking to unlock endless possibilities in global markets, giving you the power to explore countless trading options with ease. And with a strong commitment to transparency and customer satisfaction, the Trend Center is your trusted partner in the world of online trading. They've designed this platform with user experience in mind, so whether you're a beginner or a more experienced trader, you will be able to navigate and execute trades with ease. The platform has an intuitive design, and they offer comprehensive educational resources, which is perfect for traders looking to improve their skills. And of course, if you need any sort of help, their responsive customer support is always ready to assist. When it comes to tradable assets, they have a huge selection, including major, minor, and exotic forex pairs, commodities, and indices, so you have plenty of options to diversify your portfolio and take advantage of different market opportunities. What's huge is that they also provide deep liquidity, which means you can execute large orders without worrying about major price changes. And in order to help cater to different types of traders, this gem offers 5 different account types, each designed to fit your specific needs and goals. So as you can see, guys, whether you're just starting out or you're an advanced trader, they have an account type that works for you. What's also cool is that the platform also offers tight spreads to help you maximize your profits and minimize your losses, which is key for staying ahead in the game. On top of that, they provide advanced trading tools and resources like real-time market analysis, customizable trading signals, and strong risk management tools that can all improve your trading performance. Security and compliance are also top priorities for them, as they use state-of-the-art encryption and security protocols to protect your funds and data, and they follow the highest standards of regulatory compliance to give you peace of mind when trading. The Trend Center has already earned the trust of successful traders worldwide, and it's easy to see why. With over $300 million in open positions across more than 40 different geographies and 200 plus tradable instruments, they are making waves in the trading world. Their cutting-edge platform ensures that you can trade effortlessly on any device, so no matter where you are, you can stay on top of your investments. And with the latest platform upgrade, you now have access to your dashboard anytime, anywhere, which is making it even easier to manage your trades. The Trend Center really believes that simplicity often leads to the best outcomes, and that is why they focus so much on providing excellent customer support. They prioritize respect and appreciation for their clients, and that is reflected in everything they do. As you can see, the buzz around this gem is already growing rapidly, and if you're wondering what that means for you, it's all about efficient, seamless trading with the latest technology and a wide range of tradable instruments to help you succeed. You will find everything you need to make informed decisions, from professional market analysis to top-notch customer support. And with transparent services, you can rest assured there are no hidden fees whatsoever. That being said, guys, now let's get into the best part of today's review. Get ready for a Santa rally bonus this holiday season. The Trend Center is spreading some extra love with a special 10% capital bonus to help boost your investments this Christmas. To claim your bonus, all you need to do is fill out a quick questionnaire, and once you submit your answers, their team will review them and activate your bonus. As you can see, this is a fantastic chance to enhance your trading power and make the most out of the opportunities this festive season brings. Just keep in mind that the 10% bonus applies only to capital added after completing the questionnaire, and bonus funds are intended to enhance your trading opportunities. This offer is available to new users or as part of a specific campaign period, so do not miss out. Sign up, complete the questionnaire, and get started with this awesome bonus. As you can see by these reviews, this is a fantastic platform for anyone serious about trading, so if you're ready to start trading like a pro, this is your one-time chance. That being said, do not forget to take advantage of the Christmas giveaway for even more opportunities to grow your investments, as this is a huge deal for all traders. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights, and do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated on the crypto world's next big opportunities. This is your host, Altcoin Goddess, signing off.